Hi there, my name's Tristan and I'm the head of sales here at AutoLeap. I love working for AutoLeap because our powerful software allows us to improve the lives of shop owners like yourself and also your employees. Our all-in-one shop management solution is easy enough for everyone to use and it'll help save you time and money. But before I talk about how we do that, I want to tell you a little bit more about us. Over the years, our leadership team have made it their mission to provide tech-driven solutions to underserved markets. Our previous businesses have helped over 10,000 shops to streamline their processes and to reduce painful administrative work. And we've been lucky enough to win a couple of awards along the way. We've won a Gartner Best Product, a Stevie Award for customer service, and also been included on Inc. 5000's fastest growing companies list 3 times. Now, our software will help you achieve 4 things. Number 1, it'll increase your visibility. We'll give you full 24 visibility into everything that's going on in your shop. Number 2, we'll increase shop traffic. We help you attain a better Google rating by working with Google's My Business. And our review system drives 2.5 times the level of reviews as other systems. Number 3, we'll help improve customer trust. We increase trust and upsell potential by providing easy to use digital vehicle inspections and automated customer communication. And finally, we'll help you achieve better workflow management. We help you manage work in your shop more easily with labor guides, parts ordering, and pricing, along with a seamless technician app for easy management. But don't take my word for it. Here's what our customers have to say.
What I love about AutoLeap is that it's completely mobile. All my data and software are not stuck on a single computer. I could be in the office, at home, or in the shop. When that phone rings, I have the freedom to check my calendar, book that appointment, and not run around wasting time. In the last 2 months since using AutoLeap, when compared to last year, I can see a 20% increase in business. And folks, the numbers don't lie.